Hello my YouTube channel, subscribe Auto Excellence.
The 2025 Ram 1500 emerges as a testament to Ram's commitment to innovation and performance in the pickup truck segment. This model introduces significant updates that blend power, efficiency, and modern design, catering to both longtime enthusiasts and new customers. Under the hood, the 2025 Ram 1500 replaces the traditional Hemi V-8 engine with a new 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six, known as the Hurricane engine. This powertrain comes in two variants. The standard version delivers an impressive 420 horsepower, while the high-output version boosts performance to a remarkable 540 horsepower. This shift not only enhances the truck's power but also improves fuel efficiency, aligning with contemporary demands for performance and economy. The exterior of the 2025 Ram 1500 receives subtle yet impactful updates. The front fascia showcases larger grilles, refreshed bumpers, and updated head and tail lamps, providing a modern and assertive look. Standard LED headlamps replace the previous incandescent lighting, enhancing both aesthetics and visibility. Additionally, new wheel designs and a refreshed color palette offer customers more customization options, allowing them to tailor the truck's appearance to their preferences. Inside, the Ram 1500 continues to prioritize luxury and technology. The cabin features premium materials and advanced technology, creating a comfortable and connected environment for both drivers and passengers. The introduction of the new range-topping tungsten trim level elevates luxury to new heights, offering features that rival those found in high-end sedans. This trim includes a fully integrated front fascia, moving away from the traditional separate steel bumper, and showcases Ram's dedication to blending functionality with sophistication. In addition to the traditional internal combustion engine models, Ram expands its lineup with the introduction of the 2025 Ram 1500 Ramcharger. This plug-in hybrid and extended-range electric vehicle combines electric motors on both axles with a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 gasoline engine that powers an onboard generator. This configuration allows for an all-electric range of approximately 145 miles and a total range nearing 700 miles when utilizing the gasoline engine. The Ramcharger addresses range anxiety concerns associated with fully electric trucks, offering a practical solution for those seeking both efficiency and long-distance capability. Ram's commitment to electrification extends further with the upcoming all-electric Ram 1500 REV. Initially, there were plans for a 500-mile range version. However, recent reports indicate that this variant has been cancelled, leaving a 350-mile range option as the primary offering. This decision reflects the company's strategic focus on balancing range capabilities with production realities and consumer demand. To support the production of these innovative models, Stellantis, Ram's parent company, is investing over $400 million to upgrade its Michigan factories. The Sterling Heights assembly plant is being prepared to manufacture the 2025 Ram 1500 Ramcharger alongside traditional gasoline models.